In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a transaction in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head to your dashboard. Once you're in, open the accounting menu and select Bank Transactions. This is where QuickBooks shows imported banking activity that still needs to be reviewed and categorized. Next, go to the Pending tab. This tab contains transactions that haven't been fully processed yet. From here, find the transaction you want to split. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct one, especially if you have several transactions with similar dates or amounts. When you've located the transaction, click the Action drop-down menu next to it and choose Split. This opens the Split Transaction window, where you'll be able to divide that single bank transaction into multiple categories. Before entering anything, review the transaction details so you know exactly what amount you're working with. Now, on the first category line, select the category you want to use for part of the transaction. Then enter the amount that should be assigned to that category. This is useful when one payment covers more than one type of expense or income, and you want your records to stay accurate. After that, click Add lines to create another split line. On the new line, select the category for the next portion of the transaction and enter the amount for that category as well. Keep repeating this process, adding more lines as needed until the entire transaction amount has been fully allocated. As you do this, make sure the total of all split amounts matches the original transaction amount exactly. If the totals don't match, QuickBooks may not let you complete the split properly, so it's always a good idea to double-check your entries before moving on. If needed, you can also add descriptions, products, services, or customers to the split lines. This extra detail can be especially helpful for reporting, tracking project-related expenses, or simply making your bookkeeping easier to understand later. Once everything has been entered, review all of the split details carefully for accuracy. Check the categories, amounts, and any optional information you added. When you're satisfied that everything looks correct, click Save or Apply. Finally, confirm that the transaction has been categorized using multiple split lines. This lets you know the transaction was recorded the way you intended and that each portion was assigned correctly. Thanks for watching.